Welcome to the stunning English Road residence, a custom home built from the ground up to fulfill our client's vision for a rustic ranch-style estate with modern comforts and a contemporary flair. The English Road residence was a unique build for our team, as it was designed to honor its natural environment and was removed from the limitations of an existing structure. Set atop a rolling hill with gorgeous panoramic views of the San Gabriel Valley Mountains, our client sought to take advantage of the 8-acre Chino Hills property and build a home that overlooked her expansive equine ranch. Her love for the animals, the lifestyle, and the rustic aesthetic typical of the ranch became guideposts in forging the home's design and personality. The exterior of the home was constructed with the natural elements of the surrounding landscape in mind. Because of its focal position atop the hill and grand scope as a 6,500 square foot two-story home, it was important to our client that the house's facade and roofing elements were visually striking and engaging while still capturing the essence of the more modest farm-style aesthetic. Rather than limit our design to the blocky symmetry typical of ranch-style architecture, we used contemporary design elements to achieve something that paid homage with authentic stone and iron materials while incorporating modern flourishes to make it feel fresh and unique. The home's crescent shape maximizes the panoramic views, and with structural steel supporting the property in place of traditional columns, there are even less obstacles to enjoying the vast and beautiful landscape, as well as our clients' treasured horse barns and stables below. The main entrance of the estate invites you in with its luxurious timbered overhang made of Alaskan yellow cedar. The tumbled stone edifice and flooring continues into the entryway, seamlessly capturing the rustic charm of the outdoors and bringing it in. Select furnishings, artworks, and decor reflect our client's lifestyle and hobbies as an equestrian. Adjacent to the entry, a custom cantilevered live edge bench was installed to create a quiet nook for our clients to relax. The piece was designed by renowned craftsman, woodworker, and MacArthur Fellow Sam Maloof, who also contributed a custom live edge walnut countertop to the powder room located just around the corner. A staple of the ranch-style aesthetic are spacious great rooms fit for large gatherings, much like this luxurious living room. Sand-blasted white oak faux beams and cherry cabinetry in a gorgeous antique finish set the rustic scene, making the capacious space feel cozy. Custom built on a radius, the new entertainment console houses a large flat screen and speaker system perfect for a movie night with company, while the adjacent computer desk and bookshelf double as the home office our clients need in a pinch. The vast floor-to-ceiling windows brighten the room with natural light, create access to panoramic views of the sprawling property, and even seamlessly blend the oyster gray grout and tumbled stone flooring of the interior directly into the stone floor of the backyard. Moving into the kitchen, the natural gumwood island comes to life and draws your focus thanks to its gorgeous granite countertops and custom molded iron shelf supports. And hanging just overhead, the custom-made wooden pot rack complements the island with a rustic look thanks to the iron rivets in its design, and even creates a lovely interplay with the distressed sage glaze on the surrounding kitchen cabinetry and Venetian stone tile flooring, utilizing the earth tone palette of the ranch style. Around the corner, this custom minibar comes equipped with a state-of-the-art wine fridge with wine glass storage above. The cherry cabinetry complements the patinaed copper bar top and wire mesh fronted cabinets, providing functional storage as well as an elegant display space. The dining room provides more views onto the beautiful landscape, but also adds some lighting and ambiance of its own with its iron pendant and sconce chandeliers overhead. Coupled with a concrete dining table on a rustic wood base and gumwood cabinetry, this space presents a wonderful place to dine with guests on any occasion. Upstairs rests another cozy nook to relax, read a favorite book, or get some work done on a busy day. Looking out over the lovely cherry banister put together with steel clavos are great windows with woodwork that hides automated shades that disperse at the touch of a button. However, the true star of the show is the dazzling arched ceiling, with large bowed wooden beams engineered with an arch over the steel framing. Nothing better showcases how personalized a ground-up home can be than spaces built with your interests and hobbies in mind. The custom craft room allows our clients tons of storage for her various craft items, inviting her into the space with white oak barn doors that lay flush to the cabinetry. The English Road residence is a prime example of how much our clients' vision, personality, and passions inform our design-build process. When building from the ground up, especially a home of this scope, you need a team that can take their craft beyond following a simple floor plan when constructing your home. You need a team that understands who you are and works with care and dedication to capture that in the final product. If you've been inspired by this project and are considering a custom home build, we'd love to help bring your vision to life. Visit HartmanBaldwin.com to learn more about our award-winning design build services, and let's start creating something beautiful together.